There we go. Ryder, you still in here? Is Ryder still in here? Yo, Ryder. No, he's not. Fuck.
Okay, so as I mentioned about the mud guards.
The mud guards?
Yep.
What about them?
Tires.
You didn't mention anything about mud guards to me at all.
Improper mud guards.
Okay.
I'll
Nice.
explain how the tickets work in a minute here.
That's okay. I don't need an explanation.
So this here is about your insurance card. It's expired.
Cool.
And this here is your color coding and actually the CVOR one for some reason.
Pardon me?
We got one for the CVOR.
Yeah. So what was your excuse for pulling over Felix Towing about 10 minutes ago? Because I saw you guys at the light. He went through the light, he made the left, he didn't do nothing wrong, and you pulled him over.
The registered owner is suspended.
The registered owner is suspended? Oh man. You guys are just bored, eh? Pulling over tow trucks, nothing better to do? I randomly get pulled over because he wants to check out my wheels, and you pull somebody over because you think he's suspended?
Yeah, I came back suspended.
Is he suspended?
No.
He's not.
Same exact name.
Why would somebody drive a tow truck suspended?
Why would anyone drive suspended?
I don't know. You guys are just bored. You guys are really bored. You know that, right? You guys have nothing better to do. Look at you. Look at you, man. You got fucking nothing better to do. You're pulling over somebody for fucking nothing. Nothing. Fucking retard face. Look at this. I'd ask you why you're mad for, but I already know. So it's okay. Fucking dumb. Can I have my documents back, please?
Not yet. Okay, so this one's for the tint on your windows, as I explained.
Thank you, sir.
And this one's for having an expired CVOR.
Expired.
You don't have the current one.
How is it expired? Hold on.
Do you want to make sure all your documents are here?
No, I'd like to pull out my current CVR because I have one.
Well, you surrendered that one to me.
Okay, so you couldn't tell me that before. You had to just give me the ticket. You couldn't say, do you have a more recent one? Instead, you just give me a ticket. That's how you're feeling? Cool.
Surrender that one to me.
Well, instead of you being a nice officer, somebody being proper, you say, hey, you know what? This one's expired. I'm going to give you the chance to pull out your more...
Nothing but courteous to you.
You've been nothing but garbage to me. You guys are all fucking garbage, scumbags.
Actually, now that we're done with that, and actually you got all your documents back, we have a concern here in York Region.
Okay.
Trafficking guns.
Oh, that's great.
Counterfeit cigarettes and so on.
Okay. And you think I traffic guns?
And no, I'm asking you if you'd consent to a search of your vehicle.
Absolutely not. Am I being detained?
No, you're free to go.
Okay, you guys have yourselves a wonderful day.
Very good.
Stay up. Fucking York Region's finest. Thank you very much. 192, 193. Can I get your badge number, please? What? 2478. Sarge?
Mine's on the tickets.
Here's on the tickets. If I can get your name, please. McPherson.
Yep.
Thank you. You guys have yourself a wonderful day. And I hope you guys find those gun traffickers and drug dealers and whoever the fuck you're looking for, because you're looking for the wrong guy. Have yourselves a good day.
Just thought I'd ask.
Yeah, I thought you'd ask. You know what? I had the same officer in Vaughan ask me too if I had any guns or drugs, if I would consent to any searches. And you know what? Same thing I told you fuckers. No. So have yourself a fucking wonderful day. That's fucking great. Fucking losers. You guys see this shit? This is a fucking joke. Do you consent to any searches? Oh my god. You guys are too fucking much. too much.